dreamed of you at night time. I watched you in your sleep. I met you in high places. I touched your head and touched your cheek. So if you disappear out of view, no, I'll never say goodbye. No, I try to forget it. You make me call your name, and I shout it to the blue summer sky. So shed your skin and let's get started. You will throw your arms around me. We may never meet again. So shed your skin and let's get started. You will throw your arms around me. Yeah, you will throw your arms around me. Yeah, you will throw your arms around me. Yeah, you throw your arms around me. Yeah, you throw your arms around me. I will come for you at night time. I will raise you from your sleep.
Amen.
What about that, right? Someone posted, I think it was Lee that said it. She deserves to have an Australian passport if she would sing that song like that, right? And this is her second home. She would love to live here, right, Erica? Thank you so much. Please give it